trying to establish what has actually caused the disease and the effect of these diseases or diseases in animals. Currently, we have over 7 research projects, and each one of these is examining different disease processes affecting various animals. For example, one of our researchers is working in diseases of fish with a project that is focused around Lake Victoria. He's trying to understand the different interactions of pathogens or causes of diseases with the environmental changes in the lake. One of our researchers is closely working with communities that keep camels, and again, trying to get into this area which has been very predominantly neglected for a long time. He, in that research project, is also pursuing the understanding of camel value chain, camel milk value chain specifically, not meat, milk value chain. And therein he is working on microorganisms that may affect the exploitation of milk value chain, camel milk value chain. We are also heavily involved in diagnostic related research based on the kind of work we do, trying to understand more about those cases and explain maybe possibilities of interventions that we can undertake to control some of the diseases. And therein, we are working therefore very closely with the clinical studies department, who are the recipients of the patients, okay? Building inventories of and archiving of cases that are coming through them, and the behavior of the various changes that occur in different disease processes. We do have 6 postgraduate programs, and these programs are in Master of Science in Veterinary Pathology and Microbiology, Master of Science in Veterinary Pathology and Diagnostics, Master of Science in Clinical Pathology and Laboratory Diagnosis, Master of Science in Applied Veterinary Parasitology, Master of Science in Applied Microbiology, and Master of Science in Fish Science. We have PhD programs for each one of those. So arising from this postgraduate training, there is related research activities, because you cannot graduate from this university without, of course, writing either a dissertation or a thesis. For us, we do programs based on research and thesis.
Chair of the Department of Clinical Studies, which is one of the departments that comprise the Faculty of Veterinary Medicine. We have 4 main thematic sections or areas of specialization, one of which is medicine, the other one is surgery, and the other one is reproduction and obstetrics, otherwise known as theriogenology. We do also have another section which focuses on wildlife management studies. We are a department that offers clinical training for 3rd year, 4th year, and 5th year Bachelor of Veterinary Medicine students. We do also have the responsibility of coordinating the Bachelor of Science in Wildlife Management and Conservation and related options. We have also been privileged to offer the Diploma in Animal Health, which is currently offered at the Ahiti Ndomba. This is a collaboration that the University of Nairobi has with that particular institution. We do have clinical services which are offered through the Small Animal Clinic, which really offers medical, surgical, and reproductive health services to dogs and cats, mainly for clients who bring in their animals for this kind of purpose. We have diagnostic services which include X-ray imaging. We also do have ultrasonography, and we do also have a lab that is used to analyze blood samples, otherwise known as hematology, clinical chemistry, And we do also have a lab, a diagnostic lab that will be used to isolate bacteria and such related infectious material. On the large animal side, we do have services which we offer to owners of cattle, sheep, goats, pigs, and horses and donkeys through what we call the ambulatory service. This entails clinicians and doctors visiting farmers on their site. We do have a postgraduate program as well, where we offer the Master of Science in Clinical Studies. We do also have the Master of Veterinary Surgery, as well as the Master of Veterinary Medicine, and the Master of Science in Theriogenology. And finally, we do also have the Master of Science in Wildlife Health and Management. We offer the Doctor of Philosophy in Clinical Studies, which at the moment is due for review, and we do expect that we will offer discipline-specific PhD programs as soon as these are approved by Senate. We are a department that is also committed to assisting farmers in the management of animal resources so that they are able to maximize the benefits of keeping animals as well as the byproducts.
The Department of Animal Production is yet another of the oldest departments of the University of Nairobi. Since its inception, the department has played a leading role in the training and development of manpower as follows: over 1,700 veterinarians, over 2,000 agriculture graduates, over 500 food technologists, over 400 range managers, and over 600 agricultural engineers.
This department belongs to two faculties. It belongs to the Faculty of Veterinary Medicine and the Faculty of Agriculture, because we offer services to both. The basic work that we do in the department is training, and we train both bachelor's, master's, and PhD. In bachelor's degree, we have Bachelor of Science in Agriculture with specialty in Animal Science major. Currently, we also have Bachelor of Science in Fisheries Management and Aquaculture. We also have Bachelor of Science in Wildlife Management.
Kilometers to the west of Upper Kabete campus, there is a vet farm located on a 375-acre piece of land in Kanyariri village. The farm keeps a herd of dairy cattle, a flock of Dopa sheep, a piggery unit, and layer poultry unit. It is in this context a teaching facility in the Faculty of Medicine and Faculty of Agriculture. In order to complement the teaching, research and training activities at the farm, various farm structures and equipment such as milking parlor, poultry houses, pig pens, and a tractor are available. Also, as part of an outreach program, the vet farm participates in the ASK shows where it has been winning trophies as well as interacting with farmers. In addition, the farm is involved in environmental conservation, and every year, over 15,000 indigenous seedlings are planted on the farm. In the Faculty of Agriculture, students are taken through various academic disciplines spread among the following departments: plant science and crop protection, agricultural economics, land resource management and agricultural technology, food science, nutrition and technology. The Department of Plant Science and Crop Protection has an objective of being a leading and vibrant center of excellence for training, research, development, preservation and dissemination of knowledge in the crop sciences and environmental conservation.
The Department of Plant Science and Crop Protection consists of two sections, Crop Science section and Crop Protection section. Crop Science section consists of agronomy, plant breeding and biotechnology, horticulture, as well as biometry. The crop protection section consists of entomology, as well as plant pathology units. The department is very strong in terms of academic programs, research, consultancy, as well as outreach activities in the university. The department offers many programs, particularly in terms of the master's programs. We have very many master's programs, including a Master of Science in Agronomy, Master of Science in Crop Protection, Master of Science in Plant Breeding and Biotechnology, Master of Science in Agricultural Resource Management, as well as Master of Science in Plant Pathology. It also has other new programs like Master of Science in Seed Technology and Business Management, as well as a BSc program called BSc in Horticulture, and a diploma in crop protection. The members of staff in the Department of Plant Science and Crop Protection are very well trained staff, highly experienced. We have 34 academic staff members, most of whom have trained up to PhD level. And these are supported by a very strong team of 20 technical staff who basically support the academic programs in the faculty. The department also is very strong in terms of the research programs it has. Some of the research programs include the bean breeding program, which is actually the largest breeding program in the country. We also have very good facilities. We have labs. We have plant pathology lab. We have botany lab. We have labs that deal with biotechnology. We also have very many greenhouses that are used by students. We also have field plots for field research. All our programs are actually offered on two modes. We have full-time mode as well as what we call distance learning mode.
Besides academic and research pursuits, the Department of Plant Science and Crop Protection provides consultancy services on disease and pest diagnostics in addition to screening pesticides. The
department hosts the Center of Excellence in Seed Technology, which we call the Seed Enterprise Management Institute, a project that is supported by AGRA. And in this program, we have trained very many students, over 150 students from the region, from all over the sub-Saharan Africa. And they come here for 2 short courses. We have courses in seed processing, we have courses in phytosanitary issues, in marketing of seed, and so forth.
In the Department of Land Resource Management and Agricultural Technology, in short, LAMAT, we train and carry out research in various disciplines, mainly in soil science, that's soil fertility management, soil and water management, in dry land resource management, and also related environmental issues dealing with production systems, both in humid areas and in dry land farming systems. We are currently hosting the Regional Center for Dry Land Resource Management, and over the years we have been able to train various cadres from the bachelor's, master's and PhD students specializing in the dryland resource management and also professionals in soil fertility management. The department also carries out various research, mainly in land and water management, soil fertility management, land use and land use management, and also carry out tests for soils for both postgraduate students and also the researchers from other institutions, and also for our own researchers. Within the department, we carry out various researches, and currently we have research mainly in dryland farming systems, irrigation and water management, biological nitrogen fixation, and also in dryland livestock production in the pastoral areas. As you know, that Kenya, over 80% is arid or semi-arid, and our department has over the years been able to carry out research which deals with the challenges in these areas, and we have come up with innovations which over the years have been implemented and added value to the farming and other production systems in the region. As we move more into intensification, we have realized that we have not only to deal with the increasing of production, but also enhancing conservation. So most of our programs are now tailored towards not only increasing productivity within the various land use farming systems, but also to enhance sustainability.
In recognition of the essence of good neighborliness, calves did what they know best for the community living around the field station. Utafiti Primary School in Kibwezi was indeed the fitting gift from the College of Agriculture and Veterinary Sciences to help in the advancement of education in the area.
For example, teaching, writing, jumping, good. Give me another action. Swimming, playing.
I am directing activities to do and education activities to do with drylands within the university. I have a Center for Sustainable Dryland Ecosystems and Societies. The purpose is actually to focus not only on the ecosystems in the drylands, but also the people who inhabit those areas. Kenya, for example, is over 80% drylands, and this cuts across the whole Horn of Africa. And if you are looking for the best place to study dryland problems in the country, we have been identified as the Regional Center for Excellence in Dryland Resource Management, where we are hosting a PhD program on dryland resource management and other several courses that are dealing with the drylands. The purpose of the center is to spearhead research, training, capacity building, and also engagement with the dryland communities for the better life of those areas. We are currently having engagements with the county governments like Isiolo, Marsabit, and Laikipia, as well as engaging with development partners in the region. Like we have a program on applied research in drylands funded by IGAD, and we are also looking for other opportunities.
This is the Department of Food Science, Nutrition and Technology. We have 2 undergraduate programs, Food, Nutrition and Dietetics, and Food Science and Technology. We have 3 master's programs, MSc, Master of Science in Applied Human Nutrition, Master of Science in Food Science and Technology, and Master of Science in Food Safety and Quality. And we have 1 diploma program, postgraduate program in Food Safety and Quality. And then we have PhD programs or PhD students in all those programs. We have 464 students, and our department is divided into the Applied Nutrition component and the Food Science and Nutrition component. We have 1 pilot plant where we teach our students on practical skills in food processing. We also have various laboratories where we take our students for laboratory experiences, learning experiences. And we have 1 kitchen garden where we train students who are doing food, nutrition and dietetics. We give them hands-on experience so that when they leave they can pass the knowledge to households and